sis. Good evening.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help my stand if I saw you in heaven? I find my way through the night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven.
Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please.
Hello sis, thanks for invite me. God bless. Sensya na ngayon lang kasi busy ako kahapon.
Beyond the door, there's peace I'm sure, and I know there's been no harm. There's in heaven. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven?
Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? It
You must be strong and carry on.